Weekend sleep-ins to catch up on lost sleep? Your brain is still damaged. Every missed hour leaves permanent traces, cumulative, invisible, and irreversible. Here's why your weekend recovery is an illusion. I see the real effects of sleep debt in my patients every week. The belief that you can simply catch up on sleep over the weekend is costing you years of sharp thinking. Every missed hour doesn't just vanish, it leaves a trace in your brain. Stay with me. In the next minutes you'll see how sleep debt quietly builds, why you can simply pay it back, and what to do this week to stop the slide and restore your performance in a realistic way. Think of sleep like scheduled maintenance for a data center. If you skip it, the servers keep running until something fails under pressure. Sleep is not passive, it's active repair. Deep sleep clears waste from brain cells. REM sleep resets emotional balance. The hippocampus moves fresh memories into long-term storage. And the prefrontal cortex, the part behind your forehead, restores focus and decision-making. When you miss enough of that, you create a real deficit in alertness and thinking. This is the sleep debt, the gap between how much rest your body needs and how much it actually gets. It stacks up, it compounds. How many hours do you usually sleep on work nights? 5, 6, 7, or maybe 8 plus? Share your number in the comments. Let's compare and see where most of us really are. Many people believe that 2 long weekend sleeps fix the problem. Next, I'll show you why that isn't true, even if you feel caught up. Sleeping longer on Saturday and Sunday helps you feel less tired. But feeling better doesn't mean you're restored.
Please go away, let me sleep for the love of God!
2 weeks of 6 hours a night create mental impairments almost equal to missing an entire night of sleep. And here is the catch. The deficit keeps adding up, even if you think you've adapted. When you finally rest, the brain tries to compensate. It rebalances the stages, but it cannot replay the exact sequences you lost. Some repairs never run, some memories never form, some control systems never fully reset. It's like training. You can skip 3 workouts, then do 1 brutal session and expect the same results. Sleep works the same way. Architecture matters, timing matters, not just total hours. If catching up doesn't fix it, what actually breaks first? Let's open the hood. First, memory weakens. After a single night awake, the hippocampus struggles to record new information. Studies show about 40% drop in learning ability. Next, focus control thins. The prefrontal cortex, your brain's manager, loses the grip. You make impulsive choices. Mistakes rise. Correction slows. Emotions swings harder. With short of broken sleep, the amygdala fires stronger signal. Meanwhile, the prefrontal brakes fail. You become irritable, anxious, overreactive. Next, brain cleaning slows. During deep sleep, brain fluid channels expand, flushing waste like beta amyloid. Cutting sleep reduces that flush. The waste lingers. Next, attention drifts. Stay awake 17 to 19 hours and your performance matching being mildly drunk. Push to 24 hours and you're in dangerous territory, even if you feel fine. So, who lives in these depths most often? Spoiler, it's not just shift workers. Picture this. You're in your 30s or 40s. Commute, deadlines, kids, Slack pings, blue light until midnight. The alarm screams at 6:30, coffee at 6:32. You get 6 hours, maybe less. You feel functional. You push harder. You skip the gym. You answer emails at red lights. By mid-afternoon, you're crashing, so you grab sugar or another coffee. Bedtime slides. You scroll to unwind. 3 days like that and your internal clock drifts. Deep sleep shrinks. REM shifts later. But the alarm doesn't care. It cuts you off before the repair finishes. The weekend comes. You sleep in. You feel better. You think it's fixed. But Monday resets the spiral. Again and again. This is the debt trap. Quiet, normal, costly. If this feels familiar, here's the good news. You can't erase all debt, but you can stop the spiral right now. Why can't you just sleep more and balance the books? Because sleep isn't just about hours. It's about order. Deep sleep dominates the first half of the night. REM fills the second half. Shift the timing and the brain steals from one stage to replace another. But it never perfectly recreates what you lost. You cannot return last Tuesday's deep sleep on Saturday morning. Biology doesn't work like that. That's why chronic restrictions leaves a permanent mark, even with long naps or weekends in bed. So what does realistic recovery look like? Let's build a plan you can actually follow. Rule number 1. Anchor your wake time. Pick a wake up time and hold it, 7 days a week within 30 minutes. Your body loves rhythm. Consistency creates deeper sleep pressure at night. Rule number 2. Light in the morning. Within an hour of waking, step outside. Natural light tells your brain clock it's daytime. That small act shifts your evening sleepiness earlier. No willpower needed. Rule number 3. Protect the window. Guard a 7 to 9 hour sleep slot. Treat it like a meeting with your health. Close the laptop earlier. Say no to just one more episode. Next rule. Cool, dark and quiet. Lower your bedroom to about 18 to 20 degrees. Dark curtains, less noise. This single step can add more deep sleep than any supplement. Next rule. Caffeine cutoff. If you're sensitive, nothing after 2 p.m. Caffeine's half times means it lingers long into the night. Respect the biology. Even these 5 rules alone can transform your nights. There are more, but start here. Even partial progress plays back in real energy. Short sleep in midlife links to higher dementia risk decades later. No proof, but a strong signal. Why? Because less sleep means more toxic waste left behind. It means more years with disrupted memory repair. It means more stress on blood vessels and metabolism. This isn't fear, this is clarity. Better sleep today is an investment in your future brain. But how do you protect sleep when the week falls apart? And how fast you can see results when you get it right? Life isn't a lab. Things go wrong. Kids wake you up, work starts late, but you can still protect the basics. Keep your wake time steady, even during travel. Add a 20-minute nap if needed. Get outdoor light and movement first thing. It clears fog, resets your clock. Defend your first 90 minutes of sleep. That's your deepest repair. Don't trade it. Cut screens and bright light in the last hour. Replace scrolling with something calming. If you wake up at 3 a.m., don't panic. Get up briefly, low light, calm breathing. Back to bed when sleepiness returns. So how do you lock this in, not just for 1 week, but for the long run? The final step is mindset. Stop chasing perfection. Chase direction. Consistency beats all or nothing. Treat sleep like training. Small repeatable actions stacked across months. That's how you protect your brain. Sleep debt is real, and your brain cannot fully recover by catching up on weekends. But you can stop the spiral today. Anchor your wake. Respect the 7-9 hour window. Keep nights cool, dark and calm. Take care of your brain, and it will take care of you. See you in the next one.